Genesis 26. God's promise, blessing, and Rehoboth, making room for his people.
Genesis 26, verses 2 through 3, God's promise to Isaac. And the Lord appeared to him and said, "Do not go down to Egypt. Dwell in the land of which I shall tell you. Sojourn in this land, and I will be with you and will bless you." God repeats his covenant promises, reassuring Isaac of his presence and provision. Genesis 26:12. God's favor in famine. And Isaac sowed in that land, and reaped in the same year 100-fold. The Lord blessed him. Even in hard times, God can bring extraordinary increase when we trust him. Genesis 26:22. Rehoboth, God makes room. And he moved from there and dug another well, and they did not quarrel over it. So he called its name Rehoboth, saying, "For now the Lord has made room for us, and we shall be fruitful in the land." A powerful reminder that God opened space for his people to flourish. Genesis 26:24. God's assurance. And the Lord appeared to him the same night and said, "I am the God of Abraham your father. Fear not, for I am with you and will bless you and multiply your offspring for my servant Abraham's sake." God's promises are deeply personal. He speaks directly to his children.
Genesis 26:28 through 29, a testimony of God's presence. They said, "We see plainly that the Lord has been with you." When God is with you, even your enemies will notice and seek peace.